Alright, so this is gonna be an unboxing. Oh, okay. Togo Power 1000. Alright. Came in today. Let me see how can I get this out. Oh, okay. Alright, let me put the camera down. Let me get this. Alright. So this is the Togo Power Portable Power Station Advanced 1933 working hours. 1000 watts. So let's see what this baby has. Let's open this. Wow, look at this. Getting your little, seems to be like a cardboard. Big things come in small packages. Okay, this is the Togo Power user Facebook group. Okay, all right, so let's set this to the side. This is the manual, user manual, yeah, whatever. All right, Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, this is a big foam thing. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Wow, look at this. Nice plastic. Let's open this up. What do you know? Wow, this is super nice. Very nice. Super nice. Alright, let me get this out. Get this baby out. Alright, there you have it. Alright, so let's power this baby up. Let's see. Okay. As you can see, it has 45% battery. I guess that's normal. And I'm gonna put it to charge eventually. So you have your, as you can see, this is a AC pure sine wave. Okay. Let me see if it lights up. Yeah, it lights up. So you can connect your AC. You have a 12 to 28 volt input. That's to charge. If you have a solar panel, you can use it to charge it there. Okay, and then you have your USB connectors. As you can see, you have your quick charge 3.0, and then you have a USB up to 60 watts fast charger. Okay, very nice rubber protectors for this, you know, for anything. Then you have your 12 volts. Okay, so let's power this off. This one powers on, and then the DC. So DC, USB, and AC. Okay, you can see, and it gives you a reading of the output. Okay, so as you can see, it's charging. So it says 46%. It will take 2.7 hours. So right now it's getting a DC input, 146 watts, as you can see there. So yeah, nice. From 46%, 2.7 hours. Not really bad. That's quite fast. So yeah, let's continue. All right. So let's turn this on. It's already charged 100%. Let me see if you can see it right there, right? 100%. It's fully charged. So let me show you the wireless charger. So it will charge your phone at 10 watts fast charger. So check this out. See, place your phone, start charging right away. I'm gonna take it off again. I'm gonna place it back again. See how fast? Cool. So if you're gonna get one of these, really recommend it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the light, so you can see a small light. It's really bright, actually. Whoa, super bright. I mean, it's super bright. Let me show you that. Wow, look at that. Check that out. That's super bright. See? See? Super bright. That's super bright. So we're gonna turn it off. And we're gonna turn the other one. You see the one on top? You can actually move this up. Look at that. Wow, super bright. It's amazing. Super bright, okay? Let me turn that off. So that's on your, and you see, you have one, the light bulb here, and then you have another one over here on the handle. You see it? Right there, okay? Push that little, you see it right there, the button there? Once you push it, it will turn off the side one, you see? It's on. If you push it twice, or the second time, it will turn on, engage the one over here on top of the handle, okay? So, I mean, this little unit is super cool, man. I really recommend this. It's amazing. You know, you can have this for emergency situations, you know, in case of power outage, and then you can, you know, pretty much have a source of energy that you can use to charge your phone and or your cameras or anything, you know, pretty much. So yeah, so get one today, the Togo Power Advanced 1000. It says 1000 watts, 933 watts hours. Okay, and this unit has a 2000 peak. It means it can go, you know, up to a 2000 high peak. I mean, not forever, but, and then it will go down to whatever you're using. If it's less than 1000 watts, it should work, you know, up to 1000 watts or less. Okay, so get one today. Thank you. All right, here we have the 12 volt cigarette lighter charger for the power station. You can see the one end and the other end to the plug to the unit. So as you know, very simple, not a big deal. And you have your AC outlet cable. One end goes to the power block, and the power block, it says there that it will charge the unit up to 150 watts. I did the test and it was giving out 146, 147. So it's more or less in that range. So it will charge the unit pretty quickly. So, you know, you get everything you see here, you know, the cigarette lighter, the charging block, and the white little box that you see at the end. So yeah, everything is included. So pretty much it is what it is. Okay.